Next is the functional group. What is meant by a functional group? This is in the last chart I had shown you the OA, alcohol, aldehyde, acidic, those are the functional group I said. And functional group is defined as an atom or group of atoms joined in a specific manner which is responsible for the characteristic chemical properties of organic compounds. Means the functional group, if suppose CHO or OH or COOH, any of the functional group is belonging to certain 5 or 6 compounds or more than that compound, all compounds will show the same chemical properties. Homologous series, what is meant by this is a group of organic compounds having similar structural and chemical properties, and successive compounds differ by a CH2 group. Means the next higher homologue has CH2 or methylene group as an extra. Means if you add the methylene group or the CH2 group to the previous, you get the next successive homologue. Now naming depends on this number of carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are here. The alkane will be one carbon means meth, METH, this is for 1 carbon. And if there are 2 carbons, then it is eth. And ANE, for a saturated hydrocarbon, the suffix is ANE, so methane, and the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. In a members of a homologous series, all will follow the same general formula. So CnN is the number and C is 1, N is equal to 1, so 2n plus 2, that is 4. 2 into N is 1 over here, 1 plus 2, that is 4. And here it is C2, if N is 2, then H will be 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So CnH2n plus 2. And if you check these CH4 plus CH2 will be C2H6. Again C2H6 plus CH2, this methylene group, you just keep on adding one CH2. They differ, the successive members, they differ by a methylene group or CH2 group, and it is for any homologous series. The homologous series can be of alkanes, can be of alkenes. Alkene don't have the first member because alkenes essential criteria is what? That there is a C double bond, means there is a carbon-carbon double bond. And carbon-carbon double bond, there has to be minimum of 2 carbon atoms for this. So ethene is the first member, and first member and ethene has the the alkene has the general formula CnH2n. So ethene, C2H4, propene, prop means C3, 3 carbon is there. So C3 and C3 CnH2n, so H will be 6. Again when C is 4, then H will be 8 because the general formula is CnH2n. Similarly pentene, C5H10. And then the last is alkynes. Alkynes will be ethyne. Ethyne, again it is C triple bond C. So one membered, 1 carbon cannot be a member. So the first member is a C2 carbon. That is 2 carbons means the C and C, in between them there is a triple bond, and it is suffix is YNE, ethyne. General formula is CnH2n minus 2. See what is the general for the, so ethyne is C2, H2n means 4, 4 minus 2 means 2. So C2H2, the first member is C2H2, ethyne. Then propyne. Propyne is prop means C3, so C3, now 2n means 6 minus 2, that means 4, hydrogen is 4. Similarly, you can calculate for the others also.